What's up YouTube, it's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I'll be reacting to Joyner Lucas White Noise. Just to get it out of the way, Joyner Lucas is one of my favorite rappers, and today I'll be reacting to White Noise. So let's get into it.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Love, brain going on overdrive, and I might be going nuts. They don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. Feeling like my ankles tied, my legs is going numb. I've been down a million times, but I won't be slowing up. And now I'm diving.
Just to get it out of the way again, Joyner, why do you have so many fucking gold around you? So many gold, man. Like, there's too much gold. Too much. Too much. But so far, something different from Joyner. I like it. And Joyner always surprises everyone with something new, you know. But
I'm thinking, what is the reason? Laying in bed, I'm closing my eyes, I'm staying awake and stare at the ceiling. Scroll on my phone and look at TV and keeping myself from falling asleep. It's way too quiet, put in a fan and give me some noise to quiet the demons. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. Say way too late.
nah. Joyner. You fucking delivered this time. ADHD too. Nah. It's gonna be a banger. It's gonna be a fucking banger.
It ain't my choice. Try to block it out, but it's my voice. I gotta drown it out with some white noise, yeah. I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Yeah, some nights when I'm by myself, I start to daydream, trying to think of something else, hoping that could save me. Wanna get some therapy, maybe that'll change me. If you ever felt like me, maybe I ain't crazy. And I wanna drive it up off this cliff when I just get so distracted. Can't get in my vibe, but a night like this, I just don't know it's
Something completely different from Joyner this time. Completely different. The man is singing on it. He's rhyming on it. And that Bentley catches my eye right there. Something different from Joyner. But so far, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Really, not bad.
It's a mess, but I know that shit, but I have my soul adapted. I get in my head and see some shit you probably won't imagine. Won't imagine. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute, I ain't stopping now. Way too late and I can't think straight. It ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some white noise.
Yeah. Yeah. Nah, this is gonna turn out to be my favorite song. I'm gonna listen to this after this reaction. And Joyner. Yeah, you delivered, man. You delivered.
Straight, it ain't my choice. Voices in my head, but it's my voice. Gotta drown it out with some
Voice
white
is in my
noise,
head, but it's my
yeah.
voice. Hmm. Hmm. Joyner. You delivered, man. You really delivered. That last part. And your voice is in my head, but it's my voice. Man. Guys, please just go listen to the song if you haven't already. Man. God damn. Joyner. This is a banger, definitely 10 out of 10 for the song. I hope you enjoyed my reaction. There's more coming. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what do you want to see next. Like, share, do all that kind of nice stuff. It's your boy Rico, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.